So now I want to talk about the most common loan programs available out there for you. So if you don't have the cash to outright purchase a property and you are not doing some type of seller financing, which is not as common, you most likely will take out a conventional loan as long as the property is not so expensive such that you would have to take out a jumbo loan. And for most first-time buyers, this is most likely the case that you would take out a conventional loan. So if you are putting less than 20% down, remember to take into consideration you will be paying private mortgage insurance. Again, that's because you were putting less money down, and so it's extra insurance for the people who are helping you finance that you will be making the payments, and if you were to fall through, that they have a way of safeguard for that, we shall say. Now, especially in Virginia, there are a lot of veterans who take advantage of the VA loan program, which is quite excellent if you can. A couple of reasons for this is because you can put 0% down on a home should you so choose. So if you don't feel like you have the funds to put a lot of money down up front, you can take advantage of it. And you don't have to pay the private mortgage insurance that you have to for conventional loans. Instead, you have a one-time funding fee at the beginning. Depending on your down payment will affect the rate. So it might be more like 1.6 if you're putting like 10% down, and it might be more like 2% if you're putting less than 5% down for your first time using it. And this is just to help you get started. There are some things to be aware of, like appraisals have to be approved by a VA approved appraiser. But more or less, it's just like the other programs except for all the benefits for you. A couple other ones are FHA, which is if you are under a certain income threshold for your area and your credit score is a little bit lower, though typically you still need around a 620. It depends. Again, talk to your lender. And you're putting about 3.5% down. So there are programs to help you out with that. There's also, if you live in zoned rural or agricultural areas, you can use a USDA loan. And those depend on the local or county area that you're in. Often 0% down payment, which is great, but again, it's typically for a price range of the home that doesn't exceed a certain amount, and it's not considered like an expensive home, because otherwise you could afford more conventional financing. And what else? I think that covers the main ones out there that are available for you, but again, you can check with your county or state for various programs to help first-time home buyers. We have one here in Virginia too that can offer grants or credits for the closing costs and 0% down. So get connected with a lender and you can find out which loan program works for you.